Hey, it's your boy. And today and every single day, my goal is to address questions that you have been sending to me. For those who don't know me as yet, my name is Joel Levia. I'm a fitness professional, nutrition coach, and I enjoy transforming people's life with good movement and great eating habits. Today, I will address this question. Is weight loss surgery good to do? Well, I may not be able to say yes or no. That's off the bat. So if you choose to go and watch something else, do that. However, I'll give you my opinion, my thoughts, and I'll share with you some insights that you can look at things a little different as well. So when it comes to weight loss surgery, it could be a good thing. It could be a good thing to help reduce weight and at the same time help you to reduce the risk, especially the risk that is associated with being overweight. There are two types of, or I should say, two common weight loss surgery. That is the one that is restriction, and one is malabsorption. If I pronounce that correctly. Restriction is exactly what it said. They restrict the amount of food your intestines could hold. The malabsorption, what it does is it restricts the amount of calories or nutrients your body could absorb. And you and a physician, doctor, have to discuss which one is best for you. If your weight comes to a point of life and death and you may have to do such, by all means, you know what is best for you. At the same time, there is so much stories out there and people out there. I'm actually monitoring a girl right now on Facebook and YouTube, and she's almost 500 pounds, and she couldn't really walk, and she have dedicated herself to lose the weight without surgery, and every day she tried to exercise, moving her arms, and now she could stand, which is like 3-4 months now. Now she could stand and she's lifting her legs, and every day she exercises and she record her progress, and really proud of her, by the way. And meaning if she could do it, anybody could do it. The cool thing about what she's doing is she's, over the weeks and months, she's building a new habit which will transform her life forever, because she wouldn't just lose the weight, she will lose the weight for most likely good, because she now developed new habits that will stick with her for life. That's the cool thing. Most of the time with weight loss surgery, on many occasions, I see friends who took it within a couple of years, they gain back weight. They may not get back as the amount of weight they were, but they actually, you could see the obvious change in the way they look. They put on some more weight. So it's not a forever fix kind of thing. It's a fix for now, and could be good because it could change the way you look at yourself, your mood, etc. Most of the times, clients who talk to me about is weight loss surgery right or wrong, most of the time it's an emotional thing that they're going through. Either they dislike the way they look, they're not 100% happy, they may feel isolated, they may feel like they cannot socialize with certain people or surrounding. They feel self-conscious the way they look, the way clothes fit them. It also affects their moods. They tend to be introverted on many occasions. And yes, I understand all these issues. However, when you get the surgery, what next? What next? This is something I would just say from my experience is this. The same investment you invest on a surgery, which is a form of trauma. You go in and sit under a knife and they drill a little hole and they push something in and they cut and they suck and they do the thing. I'm not trying to say I'm an expert by no means in that area. However, trauma is something that don't go away. in your body. Never. So you just try to get a temporary effects with trauma. However, investing that same money in some form of professional fitness, wellness, nutrition coach, investing in that holistic approach to transforming your body and losing weight might be the best thing to go or to do. It might sound biased because I'm a fitness professional. However, I see many occasions people I have transformed their life even up to 20 years ago still look good 20 years later. So I'll always suggest looking into eating whole foods and grains and nuts and just eating more clean, being conscious of what you put in, moving a little more in your daily life, putting some more movement into your activities in the day, and you will lose weight slowly but surely. If you want to invest money in surgery, invest it into a personal trainer that is specialized in weight loss. Deal with a nutritionist who specializes in weight loss. And by getting somebody on your team that could help you with that, you will see it. You will actually see it, feel it, and in return, you'll feel happy about your choice as well. Hey, I hope this information, I hope I answered that question, and I hope the information resonated. I hope you was able to get some form of nugget. If you believe it could help a friend, please share this content, share the link. I will appreciate it a lot. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.